show you guys the Marin Art and Garden Center here in the town of Ross in Marin County. You know, I've lived here my whole life. I've never been here, so let's go see what we can discover. It's a beautiful morning here, so it should be nice, peaceful. Hansel and Gretel style. Pretty cool stained glass on that one side. It's the stained glass that we were looking at a minute ago, those ceramic bowls and stuff. Check out the lizard on the rock sunning. I don't know what that's, some kind of cow lily or something. There's some doves there. The lovebirds. Those little flowers are cool. This is a giant sequoia tree. As you can see, it's big. You see how big that thing is next to me? It's huge. These are cool. I'm not sure what they are. These things are really interesting. I don't know what those are. Black bumblebee likes them. These flowers here are nice. Bumblebee in there. These are white flowers. Those are nice. Oceanic Society. There's the bees doing their work. They have a beautiful rose garden here, but the gates are locked. The red one's nice. The orange ones. Check out the cactuses and the palm tree. It's a pretty tall cactus, actually. And these things, you wouldn't want to fall in those. Look at the thorns on those things. Those look pretty crazy, sharp, painful. There's some more cactus. These are blooming and they're growing. Wow, look at this oak tree. This tree's impressive, I'll tell you that. Look at this amazing oak tree behind me. This is branches have to be supported by this big metal poles. Wow, what a nice tree. It's quite nice. With the sun shining through it. We got like a restoration garden over here. This little garden house. They're growing sprouts for the garden. And ferns. I always liked ferns. Ferns always remind me of those books when you were a little kid, the dinosaur books. They always had ferns in them. They always had the curly big ones. Maybe that's why I like ferns. I don't know. There's a little bench. You just sit here and look at the tree. That's an awesome oak tree, I'll tell you that. I wonder how old it is. That's a big trunk. Maybe 300 or 400 years old. It looks it. So as you can see, as you can kind of get an idea of, this garden has little corners to be discovered everywhere you go. So it's a nice place to come in the morning, relax. If you're planning a wedding, it might be a nice place for a wedding. And they got an old wagon cart here. That's pretty neat. But you can see we're in a drought. And you see how there's like there's zero water in the creek right now. Zero. Now these things over here, I'm not sure about. Might have something to do with Native American Indians. I don't know. It's a big bowl though to be made of by hand. It looks like it's made by hand, huh? Wow, it's pretty strong too. It's pretty cool. That's big. It's like 15 feet across. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the Marin Art and Garden Center here in Ross, the town of Ross. I've never been here. Another discovery I found in the old county I've been in my whole life. But it's certainly beautiful. I'm sure they have a lot of events here, weddings and parties and things like that. It's put together really nice. So if you did enjoy the video, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, give me a thumbs up, give me some comments so I can continue to build my channel about the San Francisco Bay Area and beyond. So thanks for coming along with me today on my trip to the Marin Art and Garden Center.